Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Well, as usual, we will talk about the euro currency today. And in general, we now see that probably our momentum trade that we tracked almost during the whole month comes to an end, because you can see market yesterday has exceeded the 145 area, and our minimum target of this momentum trade is 145.58. So you understand that in the scale of the weekly chart, just 30 pips, it's not a big deal. So in general, we can say that probably market, although it hasn't touched precisely this area, in general this target and this trade, the weekly momentum trade, has been accomplished. So I want to congratulate those of you who have followed our trading plans and who probably has made the nice profit on this potential move that we have awaited almost a month ago. So that has happened. Well, today the release of the non-farm payrolls. So if you are bullish and have this solid profit, think about the adding of stops or maybe even close prior to release of the data. In general, as I said yesterday, there's very great probability that market will show the negative surprise in the non-farm payrolls, although they are expected around 215,000 of new places. But if you remember, the ADP index was absolutely depressed. So the same could happen today on the non-farm payrolls. But who knows? In general, we will see what will happen. But the major problems with the non-farm payrolls could be due the problems on the south of the United States and some disaster, the tornadoes and in general catastrophe, and due to the collapse in the Japan, because many companies that works with the Japan counterparties have some problems with the goods and services and others. Well, due to this moment, there could be some depression in the non-farm payrolls that will be released today. Also, there is information that the government entities also contract the employees to save their money from the budget. So in general, be ready for the negative surprise, but in general this is just the assumption. Who knows what the number will release. And in general, if you are still hold the long position, think about the adding stop or maybe take the profit. Well, still, let's try to create the trading plan for today, trading session that could turn to the doom and gloom in the moment of the non-farm payrolls release. What do we see now? First of all, yes, the market still has shown nice thrust to the upside and close above the monthly pivot point that stands around 144.22. This is the bullish sign. Also, market has hit level of overbought yesterday trading session. Although yesterday I said that probably I do not like the upside move that has started in the beginning of the session. Yesterday it has a bit later it has accelerated to the upside and turns to the very solid trading day. So this was my mistake. Well, in general, our initial plan was to enter on the 143.30, and now market has shown that this was the right approach and this was the right decision. Well, everybody make mistakes, so I think that it was not very hurtful for you. Okay, now what we see here. First of all, our target stands around 145.60 area. The same area is daily overbought, 145.60. So in general, if even during the non-farm payrolls market will pierce it and break it to the upside, this will be the problem to hold market above this area, because market should struggle with the fib resistance area. Also, it should struggle with the daily overbought. So that's why this is an area of 145.60, 146 is now upside target for the today trading session. On the 4-hour chart, what do we see? Our crab pattern it's developing currently well. It's almost they hit the target. So you can see 1618 extension from this high to this low stands precisely at the same area, 145.71. This is the target of the crab pattern. So currently we already have 3 targets: 618 resistance on the weekly chart, daily overbought, 1618 extension of the crab, and you can see that 4-hour overbought stands also in this area, although the intraday levels of overbought are not so significant as daily and higher time frames levels of overbought and reversal, but still this is the barrier for the potential move to the upside. Still, market currently not at overbought, and daily trend is bullish, 4-hour trend is bullish. That's tell us that we need the nearest level of support to possess ourselves potential long trade with the target around 145.60. And since the market not at overbought, it should not now show some deep retracement. That's why what we can do, first of all, look at recent swing in this pattern: A, B, C, bottom. Market has hit 618 and turned to some retracement. 100% expansion target from this ABCD pattern stands at the same area, 145.66. So that area, 145.50, 145.60, is very significant area of resistance. And I think that it's probably today's Friday, today's non-farm payrolls. This is an area where it makes sense from the probability point of view, take the profit. Because the situation after the non-farm payrolls could change drastically, and we need some time to reassess this situation. Will market continue move to the upside, or maybe it will turn to the deeper retracement on the monthly time frame, such as an ABCD retracement to 137? Who knows? This is the logical finish of our weekly momentum trade, and I think that it makes sense to think about taking the profit in this area. Well, where we could enter today? First of all, you can see market hits nearest support 145.73, but it's very close. And personally, I like this area, 144.42, 144.45. This is an area of hourly confidence support. Okay. Also, this is some kind of 50% support from this thrusting upside move. Well, just below the market, what do we see? First of all, monthly pivot point 144.22, and you can see that this is the previous consolidation, previous highs. So this is the classical area of resistance that becomes the support. Market retested and turns to the upside. So I think that we could look at this area for potential buy opportunities in this area, with placing stops somewhere below the monthly pivot point. I prefer to place stops somewhere below 143.90. It's right here, because market should not negate this upside move and should not take the 618 support from this whole move to the upside, because just above the market stands significant targets. Market not at the overbought area, so probably it should not happen. But be aware of the fake outs and splashes if you will hold your position through the non-farm payrolls. So probably market will hit this area, but before that it could just show some great volatility and just leak your stop from this area. Be careful. But this scenario looks logical. Risk reward ratio nice. It's not very impressive, but still it's greater than 1. Okay, so target around 145.60, stop I think somewhere below 143.90, and potential entry around 144.40, 144.50 area, somewhere this area. That's my current view on the situation, but still probably it makes sense to sit on your hand, because the trading during the non-farm payrolls is just a slice and dice game. It's very difficult and dangerous, and do not risk your profit if you have some already. Think about save this profit rather than take more. Well, that's my current view on the situation, and during the weekend we try to reassess the situation on the weekly, on the monthly and weekly time frames on the euro currency, and try to decide what we gonna do after that, after market hit our weekly target and after the non-farm payrolls. We will see how this information will change in general situation on the euro currency, if it will happen at all. Okay, so good luck to you, be careful and do not risk much.